guys. All right, so today we're going to do a little bit more subtraction practice. I'm going to put myself down here. We're going to do a little bit more subtraction practice. And today we're going to really kind of focus in on when we need to borrow and when our neighbors aren't home. Okay, so in class we were calling these mega dun-dun-dun problems. Okay, so let's take a look at this first one. We start in the ones place. And if we have 0 ones, can we take 2 away? No, we know we can't take 2 away. So let's see if I'm going to try it in a marker. So I'm going to have to go next door. Well, there's 6 tens, so I'm going to borrow from that, and the 6 is going to become a 5, and then the 0 will become 10, right? So now I have 10 ones and 5 tens. Whoa, sorry, that 0 got away from me. Okay, ready? 10 minus 2 would be 8. Now I have 5 minus 8. Can I take 8 away from 5? Nope. So I have to go next door and borrow. So I'm going to go to the hundreds. 5 will become 4. It's not very good, 4. And this 5 will become 15. I'm going to add 10 tens. So I already had 5, but now I'm going to have 15. 15 minus 8 would be 7, and 4 minus 4 is 0. So my answer would be 78. The difference between 560 and 482 would be 78. Okay? I had to borrow twice. So you have to be really, really careful and really, really neat when you write all those numbers down so that you're sure that your numbers are in the right place values and that you're subtracting the correct thing. Let's hop over this one. You'll do that one on your own. And let's hop to this third one, 900 minus 818. If I have 900 pencils, I can give you 818 of them. I can take 818 away. But when I start in my ones column, I can't take 8 away from 0. That won't work, will it? So I look next door, but nobody's there. I have 0 tens. So then I'm going to look to my hundreds. I have 900, so I'm going to take 1 away, and it's going to become 8. I'll have 8 hundreds. Now I traded that 100 in for tens. So instead of having 0 tens, I have 10 tens. So I'm going to write 10 carefully right here. Does that help me in my ones column? No. So I had to go all the way to my hundreds. But my hundreds helps me in my tens, not my ones. So I'm still stuck on my ones. But now when I look next door, there are 10 ones there. So now I can take 1 away from my 10, and my 10 will become a 9. And now instead of having 0 ones, I have 10. And it's hard for me to do it on the computer, but you could do it nice and neatly in this column with pencil, right? So now I have 10 ones. 10 minus 8 would be 2. 2. That looks more like a Z, sorry. And 9 minus 1 is 8. Uh-oh. Stuck. Sorry, 8. That should have been in my tens column. And 8 minus 8 is 0. Okay, now yours is going to look much neater. And yours are going to stay in the correct place. Mine, a little bit messy, but that's because I'm trying to do it with my trackpad. Okay, now I could go back and check, and I could say 82 plus 818, or look what I could see, if you can see this, ready? 818 plus 82, if I added these two together, whoa, wanted to make a square, should add up to 900, right? If I added those two, I could check it to make sure that it added up to 900. On this sheet, you don't have to show your addition facts that prove your answer, but I want you to carefully subtract and carefully note it each time when you have to borrow. Okay? Stay in those correct place values. All right, we miss you. See you soon.